everybody. So this week we are learning all about a real life superhero, and we are learning about the doctors. Well, did you know there is a special friend sound that also has the story of about a doctor in it? We're going to take a look at that in a few moments, but before we get started with a new sound, let's have a speedy sound review of all the ones we know so far. Are you ready? Are you steady? Let's go. Y, j, I, e, d, b, f, m, p, k, t, r, v, w, g, a, o, k, sh, ch, qu, and x, x. Take an X-ray we learnt last time. Last week we had qu, 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 quack, and x, x, X-ray. Great job, everybody. Gosh, we have got so many sounds that you have learnt now. Let's crack on and look at today's sound. So we said there was a story of a doctor in it. Here goes, here it is. Here's our new sound for today. Ah. What do we say when we go to the doctor? We say, oh, my throat hurts, and the doctor wants to look inside, but they can't see inside your closed mouth. You've got to open wide and say, ah. So the doctor says, open wide. The doctor said, ah, ah. Let me look at your sore throat. Please say, ah. And there's two letters that make our sound, ah. What two letter names are they? The letters of the alphabet are A and R. Very good. We're going to write them down on our board, and then we're going to grab Freddie and see if we can think of some words that have the sound R in. Let's see if we can write those two letters. So A is around the apple, down the leaf, and R is our robot, remember? Down the robot and over his arm. R. Two letters together to make that one sound, R. So, I think I need some help. Come on, Freddie, let's think. Any words that you can hear have that word, that sound R in it. What do you think? Just going to go off and have a look, see what he can find. Who's he got? He's got a little Lego man. Lego. Can't hear an R in Lego. What's he pointing to? Hand. Can't hear an R in hand. Elbow. Can't hear an R in elbow. What is he pointing to? What are these little yellow things? He's got a red sweater on top of it. It's his arm. There's an arm on our Lego man. Okay, let's do some counting, Freddie. Arm. This is quite tricky to hear. How many sounds in arm? Let's get our counting fingers ready. Ah. Only two sounds. Let's check. Arm. I think we're right. Only 2 sounds. Let's have a go and see if we can write it. So we've already got the sound R, haven't we? It was our 2 letters, A and R. What's that final sound in our word? What's the last sound? Good. Can you remember Maisie, mountain, mountain? Maisie, mountain, mountain. Were you all having a go at that one with us? I hope so. Arm. So we've got R. There's our 2 sounds. Very good. Okay, Freddie, what's next? He's going to go for another one to see what he can find. What's he going to come back with? Oh, he says this one's heavy. Oh, he's been in that Lego toy box again, and he's found a racing car. Car. Oh, let's have a think. Car. How many sounds? K. Ah. K. Ah. Only 2 again. K. Ah. K. Ah. Where's our R sound this time? Is it at the beginning again? Like last time we thought arm. What comes first? K. Arm. The k. And it's a caterpillar k. K. And then our 2 special friends to make R. K. R. Car. Very good. Okay, Freddie, I think we're ready for another one. They're getting so good at this. Oh, is it a little bit trickier? It's a... What's that? Star. Let's count. Ready? Ah. How many? Ah. 3 sounds in ah. Let's try. What's the first one you heard? Slither down the snake. Slither down the snake. Then st. And then our R sound. How do we make it? Ah. A and R. Ah, 4 sounds in star. Very, very good. Oh, Freddie's got one last one. Oh, get ready for this one. It's a shark. Can you sound it out with me? Ready? Shark. Ready? Shark. How many sounds? Shark. There's 3 sounds. But some tricky ones. Do you think we can manage it? Shh. What made that sound? Shh. We had 2 special friends together. The S and the H. Shark. Shark. Our special friends for today, the R, and listen to the last sound. Shark. Shark. What's at the end? A yeah. This time it's not a caterpillar k. It's that kangaroo k, the kicking k. So we have sh, r, k. 3 sounds, but lots of letters in that one. 2 sets of special friends. Wow, let's read our words that we made together. Arm, arm, k, ah, k, ah, car, st, ah, star, sh, ah, k, shark, shark. Very good, everybody. Well, you did amazing with that today. I can't wait to hear if you think of any more words with the sound R in. Freddie says he thinks he might have found one more. A place where lots of animals would live. Can you think of another word we could have added to our board where lots of animals would be? Be quite a noisy one. See if you can think of that one and any others that you come up with too. I'd love to see your word lists. You could do them with magnet letters. You could ask mummies or daddies to write them down. The most important thing is that you have a go and sound out those words for us and see if you can use that R sound. Well done, everybody. What does the doctor ask you to say? Say R. Great job. See you again soon. Bye for now.